The often overlooked Canon FD 28mm f2.8 S.S.C is an amazing compact and lightweight travel lens. The main advantage of the 20mm focal length is its ability to capture a large field of view without creating perspective distortions. S.S.C means spectra coating is applied to the surface of the lens elements for better sharpness and high contrast images. This lens was under the radar for a long time. I got mine for 20 euros. Right now the average price on eBay is around 50 euros. I took it with me to the top of a Parisian tower to test the sharpness at infinity. This is my new favorite travel lens, sharp at all apertures with excellent color quality and contrast. If you want to see more behind the scenes and mini tutorials, please follow me on Instagram.